Did you know that 90% of beginner Forex traders in the USA fail? It's often because of these three huge mistakes. Let's break them down so you can avoid them. First, mistake number 1. Trading without learning the basics. So many people jump in without understanding trends, lot sizes, or how leverage even works. They don't do any real analysis. This leads to random trades, which, you guessed it, leads to random losses. Mistake number 2 is risking way too much money on a single trade. Ever tried to flip $50 into $500 overnight? Without proper risk management, you're just gambling, and that's a fast track to blowing up your account. And the third mistake, trading with emotions instead of a strategy. Fear, greed, and especially revenge trading after a loss will destroy your account. The market doesn't care about your feelings. So what's the solution? Learn the fundamentals, control your risk, stick to one proven strategy, and be patient. Forex trading rewards the disciplined, not the desperate. Avoid these 3 mistakes, and you're already ahead of the curve. Follow 4 more Forex tips.